Jam, good day. How are you feeling? In this video I'll be showing you how to make epic smoothie bowls. And do we need a laptop for this? Hell no. I'm just uploading my latest workout for the vegan man in the community. But we don't need this. I'll move this to the side. Do we need a journal to make smoothie bowls? Negative. However, I do recommend journaling. It can be super helpful. Do we need a roadmap? Do we need a 43-page guide showing you how to get the heart of a warrior, body of an athlete, mind of a monk? Not for now. You can get this for free on the website. So, Casper, how do we create epic smoothie bowls? We need a little bit of help. We need a friend. So, I just received this little unit here. It is the Optimum 9200A, 6 blades. It should crush your cell phone bricks. It has a whopping 2600 watts. It should be a monster. So let's just unbox this here, you and I, together. I'm curious. Let's get this monster out. Boom. Here we are. Nut butters, smoothies, soups, nut milks, ice cream, dressings, dips, hot soups, crushed ice. It should be a super epic machine. Well, there's only one way to find out. What is inside the box? I hear you thinking. Some user guidance, user manual. What do we have here? A lid, a cup, stick. Hello. Another item, and then of course the machine itself. Okay, let's. So how about this, guys? We've got the machine here. We don't need this for now. And we've got the it's a 2-liter can. That'll do. Looking good. A bag for nut milk. Let's see, what do we have here? I think this is an extra something. It's a cup, portable cup, smooth, the smoothie, and the lid. Firm, solid. It will definitely do the job. There we go. Boom. This is ready to go. Looking good and all. Let's plug this monster in and let's make a smoothie. Ready? Come on, let's go to the kitchen. All right, let's do this. Let's just give this a quick rinse. Start. Boom. That's all good and clean. Nice. Ready to go. Okay, let me just get one of the just in case we might need it, the stamper or the whatever it's called, stick. Quick. Okay, for today's smoothie, we'll throw in some stuffing things. If I'm not mistaken, we'll see how we go. We'll kick off with some liquid first. So I'll have a bit of peach. I also have some chia pudding. So peach, juice, because why not? And some soy milk. And we'll throw in some cubes of spinach. I think these should be going at the latest, the heaviest things the latest. Why not throw in some chia pudding? And some frozen bananas. And hey, they're like frozen, man. We don't grow them here in Amsterdam. Some avocado and some red fruit, some berries, some blueberries I'll save for the topping. How about a scoop of protein powder? Let's see how this goes. What do you reckon? Okay, let's turn this monster on and let's go for slow. Let's go for just funky. Let's switch this thing off, unplug the power just in case, and whoa. That is very nice. I like. I don't do bowls. I have like massive units. I tend to buy everything in bulk. 1 kilograms of fruit, 5 kilograms of protein. I want a huge shaker. I don't have like, yeah, I do have a small cup, but I tend to eat like big bowls. Throw this in. That is so yummy. And then, well, we can decorate this stuff and make it all fancy. Let's see. We can go all creative here. I like to put some creativity in my smoothie bowls. Maybe add some blueberries. You don't see anything here, but hey. Okay, let's just do a quick one then. And then add some pumpkin seeds. and add some granola. And why not add some walnuts and some hemp seeds and a Brazil nut. A Brazil nut a day keeps the doctor away because selenium. There we go. We can go all fancy and top it up with a little bit of date syrup, so it looks all fancy and all that. Sugar. Yes, because sugar makes you so fat. It is ridiculous. There we go. Bro, a delicious smoothie bowl made by the powerhouse, the Optimum 9200A, second generation, 6 blades. It is wonderful. Would you like to get one? Let me know. I can get you a discount. I'll send you a coupon code and you can get one. I'm gonna enjoy my smoothie bowl. See you later.